Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name's Norma and today I have for you a FabFitFun Fall 2018 unboxing, and I'm so excited. I didn't do the summer one because I got ahead of myself and I opened it, I got excited, and then I just felt silly to film when I'd already seen what was inside. So this one we're doing together. I just redid my intro, so the box is open and I'm not gonna like do all the closing again. But here's the box, super cute. It's got like the little fall girl walking her dog with the little beret and, you know, all the fun fall stuff you saw on the thumbnail. So we open it up. The first thing we see is this magazine, FabFitFun magazine with Christina Applegate on it. Super cute, super cute. Ooh, then we have the HelloFresh little gift card, $25 off your first 2 boxes and free shipping. I think I'm gonna try this. The only thing it's not enough. Like it's not, you know, it's too expensive for the amount of meals they give, I feel like, but I guess I'll have to taste and see. And then $3 off 1 box of Luna bars. I'm gonna open it up and I already see so much stuff I am gonna love. Woo, woo, woo. All right, we got a Luna bar and oh my God, it's the caramel one. Listen, okay? The Lord works. The Lord is listening. How'd they know I ain't like chocolate? Does this have chocolate? Salted caramel nut.
It kind of smells like chocolate, guys. I'm scared. Alright,
It's different. I'm a very plain eater, so I'll go with it's different. Not that bad. I think I like it. Pharmacy Do It All, DEW. Total Eye Cream with Echinacea Green Envy. I wanted an eye cream and this seems like a pretty good branded eye cream. Super excited to try that. I have makeup on so I can't even put it on my face. So much for trying to be cute. Okay, what in the world, pharmacy? Oh, there we go. I had to rip it a little bit. Oh, I like it. It's got like the bamboo top vibes, and wow, that box is big for. Doesn't really have a smell, so there's that. Your typical light green. Where? Okay, needless to say, I suck at unboxing. But anywho. Oh, and we got the Cobra headphones. These are the in-ear ones. I don't know how I feel about in-ear headphones. I haven't tried them in a while, but I don't like them. But they're Bluetooth, so I'm with it. I'm with it. So far, so good. This box is popping. So far, so good. This box is popping. Just throwing trash. All right. Blue and Capri shower gel with notes of alpine rose, sage, wild basil, and autumn blossom. Can't smell it there. Hold on, y'all. What the hell? Okay. So I'll stick that right there. It's a good spot for it. Okay. It's definitely got essential oil vibes, essential oil smells. I like it though. And this is Grown Alchemist Botanical Beauty Polishing Face Exfoliant Pink Grapefruit. I love exfoliators. My face be crusty all the time. Oh, I have to poke it and I don't want to yet, but facial exfoliant is all the way lit. Woo! It's on. It's on. Yes. I need to take better care of my face. I slack so hard on that. This will be a reason to like get on my stuff. Because I don't do all the extra stuff I should for my face. So, oh my God, no way. Guys, I'm so excited. Okay. You can see everything in the box and it's hard not to be like, oh my God. But anyways. I have 2 Bubble Sheet Glam Glow Oxygenating Deep Cleanse Masks. Oh my God. These are the ones that bubble up. Oh my God, I'm so excited. I have the best idea. I'm going to review these with somebody. We're going to do a girls' night and we're going to face mask it up. Who's with it? Who's with it? Who's with it? Who's with it? Okay, I'm done. I have no friends. As you can tell, I need friends. Moving right along. My fave piece in the box, and it's in black which could be good or bad. I don't know. I'll see. It's a Black Beauty blender. I knew these were coming in every box, so I was very excited about that because, you know, who wants to spend $22 on something this small? Being completely honest here. I don't think I need to talk about that. It's a beauty blender. We all know beauty blenders. We all know they're great. Sold. All right, next up we have this Simply Whimsical Homemade Pretty Towel. I'm gonna be honest, this don't look like a towel you could use. This thing looks rough as rough. So this will be for show in my bathroom. You know, the pretty towel that's like, yeah, okay. I think these are like kitchen set towels or something. I'm confused. Yeah, these are those ones that you like put in the kitchen. Okay, cool. I'm apartment shopping, so this is kind of dope. This is perfect. And then we've got Crown brush set. I'm so excited. I thought these were like baby wipes or something. This is really weird for it to come, but yeah, it's the Crown brush set, and I think I remember picking it, but I kind of don't too. Y'all, every single one of my brushes are dirty. Every single one of them. I like desperately need to clean them. It's disgusting. Like disgusting. Oh my god, this is so fancy. Yes, this is freaking perfection. They're so cute. They're black and rose gold. You can't really see it, but we just want to leave it in plastic for now. It looks like we have a powder brush, a contour maybe. Yeah, I could use it as like a contour or blush brush or something. And then 3 eye brushes and a liner brush. Next, we have, let me see, is that it? Yeah, that's it. Oh, that's weird. They just put a piece of cardboard. Make you think there was more. And last but not least, the part I was excited about. This is a lot smaller than it looked in the picture. But this is the ceramic and stainless steel teapot. They had like a French press or something, but I was like, I don't drink coffee and I don't think I'm gonna know how to use that. So why don't we just go with the basic teapot? You know, I felt like that was like the safe option. This is the cutest stinking thing I've ever seen. Do you guys see this? Guys, it is so cute. It has a little lid, and then, oh my god, my favorite part is this right here. Now I can put my tea bags, and like, you know, you don't have to worry about the little grains falling in. And it's like the perfect size for 1 cup. This is gonna look so cute in my new kitchen. Okay, well, needless to say, this box was a success. Literally going to use everything in here. The eye cream, the exfoliant, the headphones, the beauty blender, the shower gel, the brushes, the towels, the teapot. It's beautiful. I probably won't finish that bar, to be honest. It was good, but it's just like, you know what? It's like weird. Like, it's not a bad weird. It's just weird. And you're like, not that interested in trying new things, you know? So I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing with me. I hope you enjoyed my beautiful like product placement, the way I kind of did the like what did iMovie call it, crap. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Like the video, comment down below if you got a box. What was your favorite product in your box? If you don't have a box, did this make you want to get a box? Subscribe to my channel, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.